Today I'm going to show you how to go from a mailbox like this, that isn't holding up quite right, to a mailbox that looks like this. For this project, you'll need one mailbox, a 4x4 post pressure treated. This is the post that will go over the 4x4 post. These post mounting plates will be screwed onto the post and then screwed into the cement block that is already mounted where the mailbox will go. This is the primer that I will be painting on the decorative post cover. This is the gold paint that I'm going to paint the details of this to match the mailbox. This is the brown paint that I'm going to use to paint this mailbox. And these are the numbers I'm going to use to put on the mailbox. Other materials I'm going to need are a paintbrush and some damp rags. And I will need to use a small child's paintbrush for the gold paint when I'm ready for that step. And when I'm finished, I'm going to put on an exterior polyurethane to seal everything in and make sure none of the paint leaks or chips or fades with time. Now that I've dusted off post mount, I'm going to paint it with primer. And this is an exterior grade primer. Now that I'm done priming this, I'm going to paint it brown. Painting it brown, I'm going to let it dry, and while it's drying, I'm going to screw these brackets onto the 4x4 post, and I'm also going to screw the mailbox mount to the wood here through these holes here. Post done. Next I'm going to pre-drill some holes with my drill, and then I'm going to put these two screws in. done with that? Awesome. Now I'm going to paint gold paint on the decal. And this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.